CRB has a long history of solving complex technical issues in the life sciences and food and beverage industries. We work hard to form long-lasting partnerships with our clients to ensure that we help meet their business needs.
Through our association with Rockwell, we've been able to expand our relationships within the Rockwell hardware, software, and sales organizations. Being part of the Rockwell EPC program is leading to additional interactions between CRB and Rockwell on various project pursuits. CRB is currently delivering a large-scale full EPC project for a major food and beverage client. On this particular project, we have partnered with Rockwell on the hardware and software solution for the project, as well as the implementation of a Rockwell Plex MES installation. Rockwell assists with early design engineering support on projects. Also, before engineering is complete, we are able to reserve a spot in the manufacturing queue. This allows us to shorten the lead time on long delivery items or shorten the project schedule.
On behalf of CRB, I am honored to accept the EPC Partner of the Year award. This recognition reflects the strength of our partnership and our shared commitment to delivering value to our clients. Our collaboration with Rockwell enables seamless alignment across projects and regions, enhancing efficiency and innovation from concept to completion.